Okay, so here I'm back in the other fish room, and I got, oh, maybe about a 50 or so, maybe 75. There's all kinds of them in here. Everything in here is for sale. Probably let these go for $3. And these are all parent raised by these two. There's Papa and Mama right there. And they got they got some more. Look at that. Alright, that's the mother, father, gorgeous, and their babies are going to be gorgeous. Anyway, that's their newborns. And like I say, this is the other 55 that's got some of their previous brood. None of which I had to call, because there's no incestuous love here. These are all non-related, parent-raised angels. So, comments, and if you want to contact me, you can contact me through YouTube on through my email. I'll set my email down there, and I'll leave a phone number. Okay, YouTube out.